You searched how to buy shares of Computershare Limited. Computershare is a global share registry and investor services company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker CPU.ASX. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. Here we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search to enter the ticker CPU.ASX and filter for the CBOE AUS listing. Select the result that matches Computershare Limited to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is Computershare Limited. Make sure the market and ticker match CPU.ASX before proceeding. Tap Investor Trade, enter how much you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once completed, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For the link to eToro and more resources, check the description below.